Good day, my name is Richard and a warm welcome to Tutoring with Richard, where we cover the South African school syllabus and related topics. If you would like to help grow this channel, consider supporting me on PayPal, Patreon or Buy Me a Coffee. Links in the description box below. Today we're going to cover Mathematics N6. The topic of this tutorial is areas done by integration. The formulas used are included in the video and so is the question. We have been asked to issue a cautionary note. When doing these questions, please use the method I'm going to show you, as this is the method that is marked correct. Using your own method to answer questions could cost you marks even though your method and answer might be right. See the cautionary note at the beginning of the video. On a side note, watch until the end of the video. If you watch only the first 5 minutes, you will not gain a full understanding of what you need to do. There is no quick fix in mathematics. It takes persistence, discipline and repetition. You have to use these steps in order to succeed. Let's get straight into it. Okay, our sum goes 2x plus 1. Now, our limits are the x-axis, the y-axis, and x is equal to 3. Now, what this means is these are our limits that have been set upon us by the question. So what we have to do first is integrate 3, and the x-axis always means it'll be 0. So how this graph will look, this is y is equal to mx plus c in essence. So when you see that graph where it cuts the x-axis, it'll cut it at 3, and it'll cut the y-axis and the x-axis. Now, what we are doing, essentially, is figuring out where in between what the area is. So, basically what we are doing is seeing this graph like so. We want to know what the shaded area is, essentially. Or in this particular case, it's going like this. Because there's 3 and there's 0. So what is the shaded area in this particular instance? So how we will do that is integrate 2x plus 1. So now we integrate. We say the integral, so 2x 1 plus 1 over 1 plus 1 plus x, 3 and 0. So this becomes x squared plus x, 3 and 0. So now what we need to do is say 3 squared plus 3 minus, this is how you calculate area, 0 squared plus 0. That is how you calculate this. So, 3 squared is 9, 9 plus 3 is 12. 12 minus 0 squared is 0, plus 0 is still 0. So it's 12. So this equals 12 units squared. What you can do when you do these is you can draw the graph. However, it's not necessary because all you're really dealing with is integration and the formulas. So you will work out the whole area of the graph. So y is equal to x squared plus 4x minus 12. Okay, and our limits are the x-axis, and x is equal to minus 8. So now we integrate 0 and minus 8. Don't get them switched around. your upper limit goes at the top and your lower limit goes at the bottom. Always remember that. And minus 8 is less than 0. So x squared plus 4x minus 12. So what we have here, now we're going to integrate x cubed over 3 plus, so that is divided by 2, so 4 divided by 2 is 2x squared minus 12x, 0 and minus 8. So 0 will just be 0 for this particular case, because 0 cubed divided by 3 is 0, plus 0 squared times 2 is still 0, and 12 minus 12 times 0 is 0, so 0 doesn't matter. So we have minus 8 to the power 3 all over 3 plus 2 times minus 8 squared minus 12 times minus 8. And this will give us our final answer. And our answer is 53,333 recurring units squared. And that is our final answer. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a like and subscribe. It helps to grow the channel. Positive feedback is most welcome. If you would like to help grow this channel, consider supporting me on PayPal, Patreon, or Buy Me a Coffee. Links in the description box below. Be at peace, be kind to each other, and remember, passing well is achievable. Have a great day. Looking forward to seeing you in the next video.